ladies and gentlemen, kind of rusty on the football. But I'm Oliver Mair, Consul General for Jamaica based in Miami. And we'd like to give you a couple tips that we feel are important for us to remember during this time. The most important thing we can do, first of all, is to turn our yard. But in addition to that, I just want to remind us all that as Jamaicans, as Freddie McGregor says, we're born winners. And we use the acronym WINNERS to create a tip for us to remember. Winners, W. First of all, we need to ensure that we're drinking enough water. We should be having at least 9 glasses of water per day. And especially during this pandemic, they keep reminding us that it's important to be drinking something at least every 15 minutes. Secondly, the I is for inspirational. You know, with all the news taking place, it's easy to become negative and just be worrying and fearful all the time. But we say peace over panic, faith over fear, and we encourage everybody to be reading something inspirational, dancing to good music, reggae music. The next N is for nutrition. At this time, it's important that we feed our bodies with the important nutrition that we need to ensure that our immune system is in tip-top shape to ward off the challenges of this virus. Fruits and vegetables, a balanced diet.
Boost your immune system. Boost your immune system.
You know, our grandmother told us about things like our ginger tea, turmeric. These are some of the things we want to be ensuring. Garlic that we have on a regular basis in our diet. The next N, during this downtime, we're going to be having more time at home. I mean, most of us are working from home, but we do have more time now to connect, to be nearer to family and to draw nearer to loved ones. And it's also a good time to draw nearer to the Creator. E, exercise. Exercise is important. The World Health Organization has said that we should be doing at least 30 minutes of exercise every day. Then R is for rest. Even the Creator himself took a day of rest, and each of us should be using this time to reset our bodies, to rejuvenate. S for sunshine. Sunshine is always good for vitamin D, and we want to be ensuring that as we exercise, we're out there in the sunshine, getting the fresh air, getting the most of what nature has to offer. So this is it, winners. I just want to remind us, as Jamaicans, we are winners. And as Freddie McGregor said in his song,